front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Notifications and Status bar. Now click on Sort by Time and click on the best sorting options for you, like apps with notifications. Now by clicking on green switches next to the chosen ones, you can block all notifications from them. And by clicking on gray switches, you can switch them back on. If you want to, you can also tap on any app located on the left and manage all notifications over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!